Voice was conveying unshakable confidence. He was absolutely resolved, calm, but then absolutely clear that we will have to now teach our enemy a lesson of their life. And then, ladies and gentlemen, we attacked Indian military installations, not civilians. That the stark comparison between us and them. They went for innocent civilians, martyred them. We went for their military installations and gave them a befitting reply. By 9 a.m. in the morning, Field Marshal rang me again and said, Prime Minister, India has approached Pakistan for a ceasefire. What are your instructions? I said, Field Marshal, Allah Almighty has given us a victorious day, a glorious victory. Now let us accept this request of India for a ceasefire because we believe in peace, we want ceasefire, we want this war to be averted at all costs. Ladies and gentlemen, this is what I wanted to bring it up today for your kind consideration. Azerbaijan was attacked by Armenia, and Turkey and Pakistan were standing by Azerbaijan like a solid rock. Pakistan was attacked by India, and my very dear brother, President Erdogan, and our brothers and sisters in Turkey were standing by Pakistan like a formidable fortress. And my very dear brother, Ilham Aliyev, and our brothers and sisters in Azerbaijan came to show their complete solidarity with Pakistan within no time. This was one of the finest moments in our history. Three brotherly countries were together like a family, sharing its difficult time. We will never forget this kindest of favor on the part of my very dear brother, President Erdogan, and of course my very dear brother, President Ilham. And believe me, even if I want to pay them back, I don't have sufficient words to thank them. Allah Almighty will certainly reward you for this great fraternity, brotherhood, and your very sincere show of support.